If you want to change EQ on OPPO Find X9, then what you can do, for example, is you can go to the app drawer and then look for the music app. In my case, I have it over here, and this music app actually has an EQ. So we can use this purple icon with these two sliders. We can switch to Equalizer over here, and we can tap on the Equalizer text in order to turn it on. And then over here we can adjust the equalizer. We also have some presets that we can use, and we even have the bass booster. However, if in some cases this equalizer doesn't really work on the phone completely, then what you can also do is you can download a third-party app, a third-party audio equalizer. And in this case, we can open the Play Store in order to search for it. So we're gonna go to search here. We can just type equalizer over here in order to try to find something. Of course, you will be able to find many different apps, and of course you can pretty much try any of them, and they all work probably well enough. So I'm gonna download this one as an example. Feel free to also try it, but if you don't like it, just try anything else. And once we open the app, we need to of course turn it on. We need to grant permissions, so do that. And there we go. We also have presets over here. We have the the option to manually adjust the loudness on the different frequencies. We have the bass boost, loudness, virtualizer, and audio balance, which can be easily set up. We even have profiles and the music player here apparently as well, but I cannot really do anything with it. We can tap on this setting in order to find some other options as well. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.